Hi, Ruben Taylor from Business Success Educators here. And do you wish that you had more time to get things done in your day? See, often as a business owner, you're wearing multiple hats, you're juggling lots of balls, and there's that never-ending to-do list that we want to get done each day. So instead of trying to get everything done and burning out or working nights and weekends, here's 4 simple tips that you can use that'll help you get more done each day. So the first one is to write it down. In fact, whenever I find a client who's in a bit of overwhelm, they're trying to go, oh, there's all this stuff to do, I say, write it down. Yes, you've got a lot to do, but the thing that will save you the most time and help you be more effective is to actually write it down. Because once it's wrestling around your head, it can actually be non-productive doing it that way. So write down what you need to get done, get it out of your head is an important first step. The second thing is to do one thing at a time. Just because you've got a lot to do doesn't mean you have to do it all at once. So work out what is most important to work on and what do you want to work on now. See, multitasking is a bit of a myth. The reality is you can only do one thing at a time. So focus on that one thing and push through it, get it done, and you'll find you'll get through a lot more rather than that false economy of multitasking. Now, to do that brings me to the third point, which is to prioritize. Know what is important, know what's going to have the biggest impact, what's going to have the biggest impact on your business, what's going to help you achieve your business goals. Once you know what's important, then you can start to work on the important things first rather than all the other stuff that might be coming at you every single day. And the final step is to break it down into bite-sized chunks. When you've got a big task or a big project, work out what are those simple steps that you can take, what's that first step that you can take. That way you'll start to get in momentum, you'll start to take action, and you'll start to get more done. So remember, the first thing to do is write it down, take it out of your head and get it onto paper. Second thing is to focus on one thing at a time. Third thing is to prioritize. Know what is important and go to work on the important things first. And finally, break it down into simple steps. So by applying these principles, you'll find you'll be more productive, you'll get more done, and you'll find that you'll achieve your goals quicker. So thanks for taking the time to watch this video, and I'll catch you in another video soon. Bye for now.